Charlie Bet Me.
Charlie Bet Me.
I love that shit. So we had to do our own.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
We're pretty original, but that shit was so funny. We had to do our own, but with our twist. But anyways, this summer we're chilling. Yup, in my red shirt. But yeah. Hey, AJ, I got a question for you. Would you fuck me?
I'd fuck me.
I'd fuck me hard.
I'd fuck me real hard.
Really, really hard?
Really, really hard.
We'll be back. Come on,